You understand English. You know the words, you know the sentences, but when it's time to speak, nothing comes out. Today, we stop thinking. Today, we start speaking. Let's use shadowing and speak English now. Many people tell me the same thing. They say, "Luna, I understand English, but I can't speak it." They watch videos, they listen to podcasts, they understand everything in their head, but in real life, at work, traveling, or talking to people, their voice freezes. Not because they don't know English, but because they never trained their mouth to speak it. That's why today we do shadowing, not to study English, but to use English. In this first part, we focus on simple, clear sentences. These sentences help your mouth get used to speaking English. Don't worry about mistakes. Just listen and repeat out loud. I understand English when people speak slowly. I feel comfortable listening to English. I know many English words already. I want to speak English more confidently. I try to answer in English every day. I don't need perfect English to speak. I use simple sentences to communicate. I listen carefully and repeat the sound. I move my mouth when I speak English. I stay calm while speaking. I don't rush my words. I finish my sentences completely. I feel more relaxed speaking English. I practice speaking without fear. I am using my voice now. Now let's move to daily situations. This is the English you hear in real life. Focus on rhythm and flow, not speed. Shadowing practice. I speak English at work when I can. I answer simple questions in English. I order food in English without fear. I ask for help when I need it. I explain simple things clearly. I don't stop when I make mistakes. I continue speaking naturally. I feel more confident every day. I use English in real situations. I listen and respond calmly. I speak even if my English is simple. I trust myself when I talk. I don't overthink my answers. I speak at my own pace. I communicate my ideas clearly. Here, the sentences are more connected. This helps you sound more natural. Take a breath and speak with confidence. Shadowing practice. When I speak English, I stay calm and focused. I take a short pause before answering. I don't translate in my head. I let the words come naturally. I finish what I want to say. I stay present in the conversation. I feel comfortable expressing myself. I don't need to speak fast. I speak clearly and naturally. I enjoy using English. I feel more confident with each sentence. I speak without stopping. I allow myself to make mistakes. I sound more natural now. I trust my voice. Now we go deeper. These sentences sound like real thoughts. Don't stop. Keep the flow. Shadowing practice. Even when I feel nervous, I continue speaking English. I focus on the message, not the mistakes. I allow my English to flow naturally. I communicate even with simple words. I stay calm and confident while speaking. I don't need to be perfect to be understood. I express my ideas step by step. I enjoy speaking English more now. I feel proud when I use my voice. I am improving every time I speak. I trust myself in conversations. I stay engaged and relaxed. I speak with clarity and confidence. I don't stop when I hesitate. I keep going. Let's connect full ideas. This is how real speaking feels. Shadowing practice. I understand English, and now I am learning to speak it. I don't wait for the perfect sentence. I start speaking and adjust as I go. I use English to communicate, not to impress. I feel more confident every day. I practice speaking without fear. I allow my English to be simple and clear. I speak with confidence, not perfection. I use English in real life. I am proud of my progress. I trust the process. I keep practicing every day. My English improves naturally. I enjoy speaking English now. I am becoming a confident speaker. Great job! You just spoke a lot of English. Your voice is working now. Let's talk about how to practice shadowing the right way. Now, Luna tips. Don't translate in your head. Listen and repeat. Repeat each sentence 3 times. First for sound, second for rhythm, third for confidence. Always speak out loud. Your mouth needs training. Practice a little every day. 5 or 10 minutes is enough. Shadowing is not about perfection. It's about comfort and confidence. You did amazing today. If you spoke, you are already improving. Remember, you don't go from understanding to speaking overnight, but every repetition brings you closer. Thank you for practicing with English with Luna. Until next time, keep speaking, keep practicing, and see you soon.